If your welds are inconsistent or not sealing properly, there's a good chance that your weld table isn't parallel with your electrode. Now in this video, we're going to show you how to make those adjustments on your RFlex press. On this machine, you have 4 adjustment screws. These screws are underneath the electrode assembly. First, bring the electrode down close to the table. Check your gaps. You're looking to see if one side is touching before the other. If it is, use these 4 adjustment screws to raise or lower that side. Make small adjustments. Recheck after every adjustment until the electrode sits flat and even across the table. Do a test weld to confirm the welding table is level and your weld looks even. Pro tip: don't chase your weld settings if your machine isn't mechanically right. You can waste a lot of time adjusting power settings when the real issue is as simple as making a minor adjustment on the weld table. If issues are still occurring, please visit our website at www.weldmaster.com or call our office at 330-833-6739 for additional support. You can also schedule a service visit from one of our highly qualified service technicians. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for choosing Miller Weldmaster for all of your welding needs.